For the Illusion of Space project, we started off by looking at several artists' works that depict the illusion of space. Remembering that these are on flat surfaces, but through their skills, they have created an illusion of space. And what we're going to do is do some sketches to practice that. So you're going to need this paper or this slide open while you do this Illusion of Space 4 Sketches project to refer to. And today we're going to use overlapping, we're going to use shading, we're going to use placement, and we're going to use size. So numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you want to try one of the other ones, you already know how to do that. You're welcome to. I can also promise you that we are going to get to that in class together. So if you're comfortable just going with what we're doing, that's great too. So if you're at school, we have folded our paper and we have made 4 sections and we're filling in each section. Okay, this one's the most done. If you are at home, you are going to use a piece of your thicker paper if you're going to paint it. It depends on how you're going to finish it. If you want to paint and use your watercolor paints, I would get your thicker paper and then you're going to use tape to make a plus symbol or a T to create 4 sections, okay? If you're not going to want to paint yours, you're just going to want to use colored pencil or marker or just pencil, then you don't necessarily need to do all of that. Now, first one I'm going to show you is overlapping. And you can use any objects that you'd like. I'm just going to keep it simple with spheres. And I'll show you one that's finished right here. It's the one with the green-ish turquoise spheres. Okay? And I've got it right here. So overlapping is when something is in front of something else. So first of all, I'm making sure I have plenty of room to draw, that my elbow, my shoulder can move freely when I'm drawing and I'm not leaning on it, because I have to have that range of motion there to get these circles. And I've overlapped 3 circles. So you have to have at least 3 objects. They can be circles or whatever you want, but you want to show overlapping. Now, at school, we have these stencils you could use. If you're at home, you could use anything from like a glass jar or a plastic jar or a lotion bottle, anything that's got a circular base to it. And then to help create that illusion of space, we're going to draw a horizon line. Okay. For the next one, we're doing shading. And again, you can use a stencil, or you can just freehand, or you can find something in your home that is the size that you want and just trace a circle. So I'm going to use the stencil. I've got a circle. And I am doing the one like this now. Okay. And I'm going to draw the horizon line. I'm going to draw where the shadow is. Okay. And for this one, I want to refer you to our video that I just did and just posted for your last project. That is your at-home remote learning, where we shade a sphere. Please watch that video to know how to shade that sphere. I'm not going to have enough space on my phone to put that whole part in there too. The next one is to show size. When things are closer to us on the picture frame, they are bigger. Okay? And when they are further away, they are smaller. So you can see on this here and on this here. So I'm again just doing circles. And one that is closer, it's so big it doesn't even fit on the page. And then they're going to be going medium, large, and medium and smaller as they go back, and even teeny tiny way back in the back. And again, I'm going to add a horizon line because to me that adds a lot of depth to an artwork. And then the last one I'm going to show you is placement. For placement, all of our objects can be the same size, but the ones that are closer to the bottom of the picture plane are closer to us, and the ones that are higher on the picture plane are further away. So that's how we know that. Now, to get these to really, bring out that value, you did the sphere shading practice, bring out the shadows. That also helps show space. So bringing in your shadows. Okay. And what I'm going to do is create another video for you where we add color. Okay. So this is just to get you started. And I'm just pretending like my light source is over here to the right, like the sun is shining over from this side in. And I'm putting little shadows on everything. Because again, that creates that illusion of space like we learned from our first project. So this is how you get started. And we'll have a follow-up video to show you how to add color and add texture. Thank you.